This video by slidingdoorrepairsydney.com.au represents some before and after scenes for the repair of aluminium sliding doors, demonstrating typical customer satisfaction with our work. You can be the judge. Here's our first video with Trish from Hoxton Park.
That's great, thank you.
Jane from Bronte.
That's a tight door.
Yes. I don't know whether I want to fix, it keeps me fit. Oh, fantastic. Yeah.
Our technician at Manly. Nick from Gladesfield insisted on a full video shot.
Open and close. When it's stamped, it closes quite easily. But obviously there's problems with the rollers, and because the rollers are damaged, probably the track is damaged too. Oh, much better.
Alexis from Smithfield.
Great, fantastic.
Our technician again at an Ashfield hospital. Carol from Bankstown.
I haven't been able to get it to lock for a very long time, hence the broomstick. Yeah, that's excellent.
And that's locking all right now?
It is locking fine, yep. Perfect.
Candy and then John from Ryde.
Very good, eh? That's good. Beautiful.
Anne from Castle Hill.
Very good, yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I told you.
New one.
Yep, new track, new rollers.
New rollers.
Hans from Hornsby.
How's that?
That's good.
Sally from St Ives.
It's moving much more easily than what it was. I don't have to put any of my body weight behind it.
Tom from Heathcote.
Good, that's great. Very well serviced. Thank you.
Sue from Campbelltown.
So it's sliding okay?
Yeah.
And locking okay?
Yes, locking.
And finally, Justine from Menai.
Works beautifully.
Impressed.